Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, deep-dive reviews on the products you're eyeing online. Today, we're talking about what we believe is the best pink weight scale currently on the market, the Ovutek bathroom scale for body weight. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly affordable, this compact digital scale is turning heads, and we're about to show you why. Let's start with the look, because let's be real, if it's going to sit on your bathroom floor, it should at least look good. The Ovutek scale comes in a soft, pastel pink finish that's both modern and calming. The design is minimalist, with a clean square shape and an ultra-slim profile. It's a compact size, perfect for small bathrooms or even storing it under furniture when not in use. And yes, the LED display blends right into the surface when the scale is off, giving it a smooth, seamless aesthetic. Now onto functionality. The Ovutek scale is built with high-precision sensors that the brand has been refining for over 15 years. This means the weight readings are consistently accurate, no more stepping on and off 5 times hoping to get the same number. It supports both pounds and kilograms, and switching units is easy, just tap a button. The LED display is crisp and bright, even in dim light. There's an auto-on and auto-off feature, so it activates when you step on and shuts off when not in use, helping conserve power. It also comes with upgraded batteries already included, and these last significantly longer than your average scale battery, a nice touch, especially if you don't want to be constantly replacing them. This isn't just a pretty scale, it's built to last. The top is made from 5mm thick tempered glass, which is strong enough to support up to 400 pounds. The glass sits atop a sturdy frame with anti-skid padding on the bottom, so you won't have to worry about the scale slipping on tile or wood floors. It's also designed to provide a stable, balanced feel when you step on it, which is great for users of all ages. Whether it's for daily weigh-ins or a family bathroom used by multiple people, the build quality here holds up. Using the Ovutek scale is smooth and intuitive. There are no apps to install, no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connections to manage. Just step on and get your weight instantly. This simplicity is ideal for anyone who wants quick results without syncing or tracking metrics on a smartphone. For families, the scale is especially convenient. It's lightweight enough to move around, but heavy enough to feel solid. And its sleek pink design makes it a thoughtful gift idea, especially for anyone who loves pretty yet practical household gadgets. To wrap it up, the Ovutek bathroom scale is more than just a cute pink accessory. It's accurate, durable, thoughtfully designed, and easy to use. If you're looking for a stylish, budget-friendly, and dependable scale, this one hits all the right marks. That's it for today's review from Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next review. Drop a comment below if you've used the Ovutek scale or have other scales you'd like us to check out. See you in the next one.